Join me as I challenge myself to stick to my morning detox drink routine from week to week with discipline and consistency. See how it changes both mine and your energy levels. Make sure and watch to the end to learn all the benefits this can bring into your life. Detox drinks have become an essential part of my morning routine, and I'm so excited to share with you what I drink every morning to kickstart my day. Not only do they provide a boost of energy, but they also help me feel more focused and clear-headed. Today I want to dive into the benefits of incorporating detox drinks into your daily routine and share with you my favorite recipe that has become a staple in my household. Mornings can be tough, am I right? We've all been there, waking up feeling sluggish, bloated, or with unhealthy cravings that can set us up for a not-so-great day. Whether it's a lack of energy, digestive issues, or brain fog, it's easy to get stuck in a rut. But what if I told you that there's a simple solution to help combat these common morning woes? I used to be one of those people who would wake up feeling super sluggish and all I wanted to do was crawl back into bed. But after introducing detox drinks into my morning routine, I noticed a significant shift in my energy levels. Not only did I feel more alert and awake, but I also experienced a reduction in bloating and digestive discomfort. Detox drinks can also help curb unhealthy cravings and set you up for a nutritious and balanced day. We've all been there, feeling like we need to overhaul our entire diet and exercise routine. But let's be real, it's not about making drastic changes. It's about making small, sustainable tweaks that can have a lasting impact on our health. And that's exactly what detox drinks can offer. They're a simple, easy, and delicious way to take control of your morning routine and set yourself up for success. Please click the like, subscribe, and notifications button for more videos like this one. Moving on to the good stuff, let's talk about the ingredients that make up my go-to detox drink. I'm obsessed with using a combination of ginger, turmeric, lemon, cayenne pepper, apple cider vinegar, and a little pinch of pink Himalayan salt to create a potent and refreshing elixir that not only tastes amazing, but also provides a wealth of health benefits. Here's a little knowledge of the ingredients and what they do to improve your health. Lemon juice helps to stimulate digestion and boost your immune system. It's packed with nutrients and rich in vitamin C. Lemons play a crucial role in protecting against colds and flu. It enhances hydration, digestion, and promotes weight loss. Ginger is renowned for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects. Studies suggest that ginger can help alleviate nausea and has been shown to reduce muscle pain and soreness, making it a popular choice among athletes. Ginger is believed to have originated in Southeast Asia, and its use can be traced back over 5,000 years. And let me tell you, turmeric is the real MVP, with its incredible anti-inflammatory properties that help to reduce joint pain and improve brain function. Turmeric is a member of the ginger family and is celebrated for its potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects. Research indicates that turmeric can help combat chronic inflammation and play a role in preventing diseases such as heart, cancer, and Alzheimer's. In India, turmeric plays a significant role in culture and religious ceremonies, symbolizing purity and prosperity. Cayenne pepper has been widely studied for its health benefits, including pain relief and weight management. It works by increasing metabolism and promoting fat burning. In addition, it also improves circulation and cardiovascular health by promoting blood flow. Himalayan salt is a healthier alternative to regular table salt and is harvested from ancient salt deposits in the Himalayas. It contains a variety of trace minerals including potassium, magnesium, and calcium. This salt can help maintain hydration and balance electrolytes, especially for those who engage in intense physical activity. It also helps to activate the ingredients and make it more potent. Apple cider vinegar helps control blood sugar, weight loss, cholesterol reduction, improve digestion, antimicrobial effects, antioxidant properties, skin health, and some studies suggest that it benefits for kidney health, bone density, and reducing the risk of kidney stones. One of the best things about this detox drink is how easy it is to make. So let's get into that right now. Let's start with juicing. Be sure to get yourself a juicer that is easy to clean. There's a lot of juicers out there to choose from and makes it much easier with one that cleans up quickly. I'll leave a link below for the juicer I use that works great. You can also make it with ginger and turmeric powder by mixing it with some hot water and drinking it as a tea. First, let me show you how I juice. Take ginger and turmeric root and slide them through your juicer. Next, cut up your lemons into quarters and slide them through. Add a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, sprinkle a little cayenne pepper, and a pinch of Himalayan salt. Mix and stir them together. Making it as a tea is pretty simple as well. Just heat up some water to a boil. Add a half teaspoon of turmeric and ginger powder. Reduce heat to low and simmer for 10 minutes. Strain tea into a large glass. Stir in a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar and serve with a lemon wedge. You've got a delicious and nutritious drink that's ready to go. Try some cinnamon or honey, which tastes great. The possibilities are endless. It's your drink and have fun with it. One of the most surprising benefits I've experienced since starting this detox drink is the significant reduction in brain fog. My body pain has subsided and my digestive system is thriving. It's not just about the ingredients or the benefits. It's about taking a few minutes each morning to focus on your health and well-being. Slowing down, taking a few deep breaths, or going into a deep meditation and enjoying the quiet morning moments before you have an absolutely wonderful day. Incorporating detox drinks into your morning routine can be a total game changer. So I encourage you to give it a try. Experiment with different ingredients. Find a recipe that you love and watch how it can transform your morning and life. Disclaimer: the information provided regarding health benefits is for informational purposes only and should not be considered medical advice. Always consult a healthcare professional before starting any new health regimen, treatment, or if you have any questions regarding a medical condition. Individual results may vary and the effectiveness of health benefits can differ based on personal circumstances. The content is not intended to diagnose, treat, cure, or prevent any disease. Click the subscribe button for more videos on health, well-being, and check out this next video I think you will enjoy.